computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
All right, good morning, everybody. I hope everyone's having a good day. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is. What is today? I don't even know what day it is. It is Wednesday morning here. I don't normally trade Wednesday morning, so it's good to see you guys. We are currently still in a trade from yesterday. AUDCHF buys is what we are currently in still. And what we're going to see here is if we're going to continue to hold this into the next 2-3 minutes here when we have market session open for the New York session, or if we're going to get out of this. Based off what I'm seeing, it looks like we're going to break the high here. We've already broken it. The day chart still looks pretty promising. Other than that, it really hasn't moved all that much since last night. But every candle has progressively closed higher since last night on the 4-hour. Have a bit of a bull flag there, so it's not a terrible looking chart. We are holding some drawdown. However, it's still pretty technically sound. We've rejected Asian range low, Asian range high we broke above. We broke above New York high, so we're expecting this to continue to push forward. We just don't have the actual movement yet. It does look like we may have found some sort of resistance right here. But we also found a support here, so we're kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place right here. This is the zone, and if you look at the zone, it's only been 10 pips of total movement. No charts have really moved. We can take a look at these charts. These charts have done nothing over the past... just nothing. Most of these charts have not moved more than 7 to 10 pips. What's up, Andrew? Most of these charts haven't moved more than 7 to 10 pips in the past couple hours, even day, really. A lot of these charts are just at consolidation periods. You did have some movement here on USD CAD. Looks like she might be coming down. GBP CAD tapped TP2, but we didn't take it. NZT JPY absolutely sideways. CAD JPY sideways. USD CHF sideways. So everything's really kind of sideways right now, to be quite honest with you. Everything's moving sideways. But we just got our New York session open here. Hopefully this does something for us. If this doesn't, let's see. If this breaks New York AM kill zone high from yesterday, we will get out at -10. But I'm still hopeful with the analytics of this chart. The 4-hour looks like it might just be retracing this wick to come back up more. And then the day, again, is still very bullish. Hasn't broken this fair value gap fully, but it is still a bullish chart. It's a 1-to-1 trade. We got a buy signal on it. So we're going to see what happens here. But it's not a bad chart. Again, we've just been holding it since yesterday, and it's only moved 10 pips from where we got in to where it's at now is 8 pips total. And we're at the fair value gap and the EMA ribbon that's been held for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. Hovering right on it. So we'll see what happens here. But we got this 15-minute candle sitting at this fair value gap. Again, if we break this, we'll get out. But there's the lowest we want to go. What's up, FX Starfleet? How are you today? Terry, what's going on? The problem is there isn't other good charts. Like, there really isn't any other decent looking charts. All these charts look like crap this morning. I think everybody's waiting for President Trump to speak today. I know I mentioned it last night, but he's speaking at the casino right next to where I used to live. Oh, is it pouring? Must be pouring. Yeah. That's no good. There just isn't much going on. Yeah, I don't understand this. Like I said, if we break below this London kill zone high, we'll get out. But for now, it's still valid, in my opinion. Very valid still. It's a big old 1 hour and a big old 4 hour candle though. Who's LM? What's up, Lance? Yeah, I've been in profit on stream many times. You've also been here for what? Twice? 3 times? This is a trade we've been holding from last night. Are you in the Discord, LM? Have you seen our weekly reports that I send out of every trade? No, guess not. Euro JPY. Euro JPY is just moving sideways. Like it's at a key level, it's rejecting on the 4 hour. But this is a really low low. I haven't seen, I mean, this is the slowest moving chart in the past. It just haven't, in the past 24 hours, it just really hasn't moved. It stayed right between our, if you look at the hour too, it looks like you're getting an EMA ribbon flip to go up. But on the 4 hour, it looks like it's coming down. All your technicals are going to be sells pretty much, except for lower time frames. It could sell back off to Asian range low, John. It could sell back off to Asian range low. I'm not just going to close it for the sake of closing it because it's in drawdown when it's in between zones like this. But yeah, really just ranged since we entered. Volume's low except for gold. Gold's moving up. Gold's moving up to look like try and retest the zone we had marked out. I don't think any of these charts have any good price action this morning so far. On GJ, you're looking from here. From swing high to swing low. Unless you're looking at like way up there. Uh, 618. That's possible. I just don't see that happening for quite some time, unless all you were doing was pulling from here. Which would make more sense. But yeah, we'll see. It's a pretty good bounce off the London high there on the 15. Only holding 7.6 pips, less now. Green close wouldn't be bad here in the next minute. A lot of movement right now. Long GJ at London low now. Yeah, it's not a bad move. It's the same trade we're in right now, though. You're stuck between two session highs and lows. So, like, this would be London kill zone lows right here. We rejected New York low. It's the same trade, essentially. I personally wouldn't trade against that trend, but it could work out. That could work out. There's a good rejection there. Curious to see how that GJ plays out. Because I have it coming down this way. Your trend line's good though, actually. Andrew, you got a pretty nice trend line there. I'd actually probably put it right here. Kind of. What flicks? Oh, this right here? No, this is Netlist. So this is a company that just signed a 5-year agreement with for microchips and a bunch of other stuff with Samsung. This was their open this morning. Went from $2.56 to $3.34. They're also, yeah, it's wild. I got it as a tip. One of the guys that's a member at the club gave me some a tip about it about 2 weeks ago, like around let's see, like back here. He's like, "Hey man, it's at $2.46. It just dropped off. You should get in." And now it's up to $3.34. He's got a lot of money. This ain't shit to him. He's got 132,000 shares at $2.40. What's up, Samuel? How you doing? What's going on, Samuel? Yeah, you used to be that guy, Andrew. What's going on, guys? Nice rejection there. About to get a new hour candle here. We held that fair value gap pretty nicely. There's really no other good looking charts right now either. You tapped your line, Andrew. There's nothing else to really look at, and that's the problem. Like, these charts suck, but it's because, and again, it's because your 815 ADP non-farm employment change did nothing to the markets. Like, it was bad for the dollar, and it didn't even move it a budge. Nah, no issues. No issues, brother. I've had zero issues with them. Heck yeah, there you go, Del. Probably looks pretty good. By the way, good morning. Morning, guys. 10 a.m. candle. This is still the best trade option. I went through all the charts. We went through all the charts. Another slow morning, though, on these charts. I think a lot of it is people sitting on their hands right now going into Trump speaking today. They know he can just destroy a market. Granted, he's not speaking until 4:30, but let's see what the latest release says. Yeah, this thing looks like it's moving up. 15-minute rejected the FEG nicely. Nice moves there, guys. It's a good move up into the EMA there. It's a good move there. Only holding 4 pips. Less than that now. There's the rally we've been looking for. Yeah, so that 4 hour is going to come here and make a huge wick. We hope. Really good 1 hour candle though. Definitely a good 1 hour candle. GBP USD looks like it could go. GBP NZD looks like it's coming down. Good non-candle. Yeah, let's see here. AUD USD, yep. And GBP USD is the one that I was just looking at, I believe. Yeah. GBP USD hasn't broken this high. AUD USD is a better looking chart in my opinion. Yeah, I mean, you could probably see this fill to 20 pips. Yeah, AUD USD doesn't look terrible at all. 4 hour broke Asian range high. Yeah, you should probably see that through today come up and touch 21 pips, and then I would say even Euro USD doesn't look terrible. All these other ones are just consolidating so heavily. Holy consolidation, Batman. Yeah, GBP USD could go. $27 to maybe even 77 pips. But in the last couple sessions, the most it's moved is 25 pips. So you got to take that in consideration. Yeah, it is. It's the best in the game. If this breaks London, or New York AM, I'm out. But we'll see. That's the only way I'm getting out of this one. Okay, rejection of that EMA is going to be important. We'll see. So, yeah, I mean, it's just fluttering on the line. What a move that was back up to here. We have yet to crack London kill zone high. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, is because it's already on the lower time frames. And let's just ignore this line here, because on the 1 hour you've already almost it's just stuck, Andrew. It's stuck between Asian high, London low, fair value gap at the EMA. It's just stuck. Kind of like our trade too. Everything's stuck right now. There's your possible move, Andrew. I don't know. With that on the 4 hour, with that right there, I just don't know. Like I said here, we're only holding 10 down. Smart man. Let me break down this trade for you I sent in Discord yesterday. We had a break and retest of the EMA. Sorry, guys. Our new 15 is also still rejecting the London high and the New York high. Which one? Your GJ trade? Give me a sec here, guys. Use the bathroom. Got another wick off the another wick off the London high. Went immediately and wicked off of New York. My Euro NZD dropped down pretty good. EuroCAD's doing its thing, kind of. USD CAD at least went for 22 pips already. Nice. USD pairs are dropping because gold is going up. We just get a new 15. Alright guys, doesn't look like there's going to be a lot of movement here. We're an hour into New York session open. We've gotten 15 to 20,000 more volume. It's rejecting. We're going to hold it for now. If it breaks my line there, I will send a message out in the Discord that we're going to get out of it. But no point of sitting here on stream watching a chart move slower than molasses. So with that being said, I appreciate everybody showing up. We are going to call this one a stream, and looks like we're moving up. Yeah, we're moving up. So we'll see what happens here in the next couple hours. But I appreciate you guys showing up. We'll end this how we always do. I should see you guys tonight for Asian session stream. Take care, everybody. I hope you have a good rest of your day. We'll see some content coming out from me today as well.